Have you seen those ads for the MagVolt Charger claiming it's the smartest, fastest, and safest way to charge all your devices at once? Well, before you rush to buy it, here's what you really need to know. MagVolt promotes itself as a high-tech charging solution that automatically balances power between your devices, prevents overheating, and saves energy. Sounds impressive, but after digging deeper, things don't seem as advanced as they appear. The website heavily pushes a huge 65% discount with a flashy last-day sale timer, which resets every time you visit. A classic pressure-selling trick to make you buy quickly. Plus, most of the product photos are found on other online stores, meaning MagVolt might just be rebranding a generic charger with big marketing claims. The so-called smart power flow technology has no independent verification or testing reports anywhere online, and the company offers almost no transparency. There's only an email for support, no phone number, no physical address, and not a single verified review on Trustpilot or Reddit, which raises a red flag about its credibility. While it might work as a regular charger, nothing suggests it's as revolutionary as it claims. The marketing seems built more around hype than real innovation. In short, MagVolt isn't an obvious scam, but it's definitely not the groundbreaking product it pretends to be either. If you're looking for a safe, efficient charger, it's better to stick with trusted brands that have proven technology, solid warranties, and real customer reviews. Always research before buying into online deals that sound too good to be true, because when it comes to tech like this, smart shopping is the real power move.